Hello friends, in this session we are going to write a program to convert decimal to binary. Let's start. Import java.util.asterisk class A bracket open public static void main bracket open, start writing scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in, take one integer with a name num, and we will take one string binary. String is data type, the variable name is binary. System dot out dot println, enter decimal number. Num is equal to sc dot next int. Binary is equal to convert binary and pass num as argument. We are going to create one method named convert binary, and we will pass this number as argument. The returned value from this convert binary will be assigned to binary, and we will print this. System dot out dot printf %d %s value of num and value of binary. Now we will write the method public static. The return type of this method will be string, as string. The name of the method will be convert binary, and the argument will be integer num. What we will do here, we will declare string decimal to binary is equal to blank. If the passed argument num is equal to 0, then we will return a string 0. Hence what we will do, we will take a loop, do while loop, and declare one integer remainder is equal to num mod 2 decimal to binary is equal to remainder plus decimal to binary. Num slash is equal to, that means num is equal to num divided by 2 and this loop will continue while num will be greater than 0. When the process will be completed, return decimal to binary. This is the whole program. This is the whole program. Now we will save this file, compile, there is one spelling mistake, scanner, save it. Compile the file and run. Enter the decimal number 5, 101, 27. It's correct. Now we will try run this file. The whole execution, how it is executed, we will see in dry run. Let us see the whole thing. In this main method, we have declared number. This is the number, and string type of binary, string binary. System.out.println, enter decimal number. We will enter one decimal number 5, and we will call this convert binary method and pass this num. This program will switch over to here, convert binary method, and in this method the argument num possesses the value 5. Here the value is 5. Now there is another variable named as remainder. This is remainder in the convert binary, and decimal to bin, and decimal to bin. This one. Now the value is 5. 5 mod 2, remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 1. Decimal to bin is, let us see here what is this. Decimal to bin is blank. Decimal to bin is blank. Decimal to bin is blank. Now what happens? The remainder is 1. Decimal to bin is equal to remainder 1 plus decimal to bin is blank. Therefore, the final value of decimal to bin will be 1. Final value will be 1. Now num is equal to num divided by 2. That means the value of num will be 2. And this will continue. Remainder is equal to, now the value of num is 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Decimal to bin, the value of new decimal to bin is 1. So remainder is 0 plus decimal to bin is 1. That means the whole value will be concatenated as string. Therefore it will be 0, 1. Now this will be again divided. 2 will be divided by 2. It becomes 1. Now 1 will be 1 mod 2 is equal to 1. Therefore the remainder will be 1. decimal to bin is 0 1, so the remainder is 1 plus decimal to bin, that is 0 1, and again it will be concatenated as string, that will be 1 0 1. Again this number 1 will be divided by 2, that means the value of num is 0. And is the value of num greater than 0? No. It will exit from this do while loop and return the value of decimal to bin. Return the value of decimal to bin, that is 1012. Main method in the binary variable. Now in binary there is the value 101. We will display the value system.out.print %, that means number was 5, and the value of binary in string, that is 101. Now there is one concept here. Why we have written public static string convert binary, that is this is the return type, and we have written public static because in Java you cannot reference a method, non-static method, from a static context. You cannot reference a non-static method from static context. So we have written here public static. If you want to see, just delete this, save the file and compile. Non-static method convert binary cannot be referenced from static context. This is one concept here. So you will have to write public static, this is return type, the name of the method is convert binary, and the parameter passed is integer num. Save the file, compile and run. That's all guys. More